define what exactly is price elasticity of demand, or normally we call it as elastic demand. It's the same thing. So there can, in economics, you have three elasticities: income elasticity, price elasticity, and cross elasticity of demand. But in your syllabus, you just have price elasticity of demand. What exactly is price elastic demand or elastic demand? We discussed last class. It is the degree of responsiveness in quantity demanded to changes in price. It shows the percentage change in quantity demanded to percentage change in price. It shows the magnitude of change in quantity demanded to the changes in price, or proportionate change in quantity demanded to the proportionate change in price. Or in simple words, what exactly is price elastic demand? It indicates how much percentage of quantity demanded has changed due to what percentage of change in price. That is elastic demand. In simple terms, we define elastic demand as percentage change in quantity demanded to the percentage change in price. And the formula we learned it last time, ED, elastic demand, is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price. So when you expand it, the formula, it becomes delta Q upon delta P into P upon Q. Change in quantity demanded upon change in price into original price upon original quantity demanded. That is, elastic demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price. So that becomes change in quantity demanded upon original quantity demanded into 100 whole upon change in price delta P upon original price P into 100. So ultimately delta Q upon delta P into P upon Q. Different, now we come to today's question, kinds or degrees of elasticity of demand. Different commodities have different elasticities. In case of some commodities, a small change in price leads to a big change in quantity demanded. In case of some commodities, a small change in price leads to a big change in quantity demanded. Even if the price comes down by 10%, the quantity demanded might go up by 60–80%. In case of some commodities, a big change in price, even if the price comes down by 80%, the quantity demanded might not go up. Maybe it may go up by 1 or 2%. In some commodities, there might not be any change in the quantity demanded. Keeping in that mind, today's topic we have, you can see here, kinds or degrees of price elasticity of demand. Kinds or degrees of price elasticity of demand. There are 5 elasticities of demand. About this we'll be discussing in detail in separate videos with the help of graph and schedule. Here today we'll just discuss about the 5 kinds of elastic demand. The first one you have is more than unit elastic demand or highly elastic demand. More than unit. What exactly is more than unit or highly elastic demand? We'll discuss in detail in the next video, but today I'll just give you a brief idea about it. What exactly is more? This happens mostly in case of luxury goods like air conditioners, cars, mobile phones, TV, refrigerators. In these cases, a small change in price leads to a big change in quantity demanded. If the price comes down by 5 or 10%, many people will respond. They want to buy these mobile phones, these cars, they want to buy. So that is more than unit elastic demand. In this case, the percentage change in quantity demanded is more than the percentage change in price. ED is greater than 1. The second one, elastic demand is less than 1. In this case, this happens mostly in case of necessities. Necessities of life, maybe bread, milk, vegetables, fruits. In these commodities, the percentage change in quantity demanded is less than the percentage change in price. Even if the price comes down by 80%, the quantity demanded might not go up. No one is going to buy more bread if the price of bread comes down. No one is going to buy more wheat or rice. No one is going to buy more vegetables. That is less than unit. The third one is a unitary elastic demand. In this case, the percentage change in quantity demanded is equal to percentage change in price. If the price comes down by 50%, the quantity demanded exactly will also go up by 50%. This is a purely hypothetical one. And the next one, you have perfectly elastic. ED is equal to infinity. If the quantity demanded goes up to any extent, irrespective of changes in price, the price will remain the same. The quantity demanded can go up to infinity, can come down, go up to any extent. So this curve will be parallel to x-axis. This is perfectly elastic. So we can't give you an example here. Perfectly inelastic demand, if the quantity demanded does not change with the changes in price, that is Z equals to 0. Perfectly inelastic, this demand curve will be parallel to y-axis. So these are the five cases: more than unit elastic demand, less than unit elastic demand, unitary elastic demand, perfectly elastic, and perfectly inelastic demand. Definitely don't forget to watch these videos separately. The explanation is given with the help of a schedule and graph so that you'll get a better idea about all these. We can't put all of them in one video, it becomes too big and you get confused. Thank you for watching. Till we meet next time, don't forget to share, subscribe, like, comment, press the bell icon. Thank you guys. Bye.